good morning. And I mean good morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The dawn chorus is crackling on there behind me. And I'm at a little walk home. And it's so lovely. The flies are enjoying my company, as you can see. But it's worth putting up with it. So lovely. I just love, can you see behind me there? Yeah, the reflection of the water with the trees behind. It's so lovely. If you were an artist and done watercolours or pastels, this would be a lovely location. We have little weed warblers, little birds, little plops in the water there from fish jumping up the flies. It's just tranquility. And the view is probably the same as been for millions of years. Nothing's changed. Apart from some mad flesh-eating dinosaur popping his head out and dragging me into the swamp. So, that's it. I just want to share it with you. So, good morning. See you later.